Scott,
Yes, Amira?
which state across Australia and New Zealand has the best plastic surgeons?
Let me think. Queensland.
No. Try again. I think New South
Queensland.
Wales.
New South Wales?
No, I knew you were going to say that. But I think the Victorians think it's them.
Do they?
Yes.
Can they prove it?
I'd like to see them prove it.
That would be good, wouldn't it?
But who knows what on earth goes on in Western Australia all the way over on the West Coast?
Nobody.
And why do South Australia and New Zealand stay so quiet? Maybe they're trying to keep their secrets.
Hiding something, aren't they?
They're keeping their pearls to themselves.
Okay. Well, what can we do about this?
I think we need to have a plastic surgery rumble.
A rumble. Let's do it.
And we need to hear the best practice pearls and surgical tips across Australia and New Zealand. Where could we do this?
There's a meeting coming up.
Oh, you're right.
Oh, let's do it there.
Let's do it at the next ASAPS meeting in October 2019. See you there.
Let's do it.